Good morning, everybody. So today I have a much requested morning routine. So it's nothing special, but I hope that you enjoy seeing how I spend the first couple of hours of my day. So the very first thing that I do when I get out of bed is head to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I don't wash my face in the morning because I tend to have very dry skin and I like to just let my skin kind of be and do its own thing throughout the day. And I do have a skincare routine that I do at night. Let me know down below if you're interested in seeing what some of those products and steps are. So most of the time when I'm not working a night shift, I do get up between 7:30 and 8:30 in the morning. I like to try to get at least 8 hours of sleep on the days that I don't work because that is how I function at my best. And right now it's like the perfect time of year because it's starting to get cool outside, so the house stays nice and cold, which helps me get a really good night's sleep. But we do have the perfect amount of nice, calming, soothing light coming in through the bedroom windows, which I absolutely love. Something I can't leave the upstairs without doing is making my bed. I feel like a complete mess, and I feel like my room looks like a mess if the bed isn't made. So that is something I always get done right away before I even go downstairs. That way I don't have to worry about it later. And it always makes the room look so much more put together when the bed is made. The next thing I do is feed the cat because the cat is always hungry first thing in the morning and she won't stop following me around and headbutting me and meowing and wanting attention until I have given her fresh water and food. Then I usually make myself a cup of coffee. That is one of the very first things that I do first thing in the morning. I love a cup of coffee first thing, and I usually sit down and open up my computer and quickly check my emails and my comments, which everybody says don't do. They say it's such a bad morning habit, but I like to get those things out of the way first thing in the morning, and I like to have a nice cup of coffee to sip on while I do that. So that has just been the habit I've gotten myself into, and I don't think it's hurt my productivity or my mental energy too much. At some point after this, I will make breakfast, and usually I have oatmeal and I like to have egg whites as well in the morning, but sometimes I feel like having something that I can actually physically pick up and eat and something a little bit sweet and savory, so I often will have toast with peanut butter and jam, but I always use no sugar added jam and I always use natural peanut butter. My favorite bread is the Silver Hills bread. I'll put a picture up for you. I've been using that for years. It's the best bread I've ever found. It's also very nutritious, but my store was out. So currently I'm using this organic loaf that I actually just found at Walmart, and I'm pretty impressed with it. It's nice and dense, and it has actually a lot of fiber and a lot of protein, and it's really tasty as well. Usually I like to get the dishes done the night before I go to bed so that when I wake up I don't have to worry about them. But sometimes I'm really tired or there's only a few dishes and they're not particularly dirty and I just don't have the energy to wash them before I go to bed. So what I like to do as well is first thing in the morning I will actually take a spray bottle that has half water and half dish soap, and I'll just give them a quick spritz, and that way the dish soap can kind of start to work away at the grime and the food while I'm having my morning coffee, and that way when I go to wash them they're a lot easier to wash and I don't have to use as much dish soap. Something you'll notice is that I don't keep my toaster out on my counter. The only appliance I keep on my counter is my Keurig, and that's because A, I use it multiple times a day, and B, I think it actually looks kind of cute. I think everything to do with coffee and tea is pretty. I think that when you have too many appliances sitting out on your counter, it makes the countertop look a little bit cluttered and too busy, and I just find for myself I feel more mentally clear and more calm and just more relaxed and happy in general when I don't have a lot of clutter lying around. So this is just a little habit that I developed a long time ago, is to immediately put the toaster away as soon as I'm done using it. By the way, you guys, how adorable is this little area rug? I picked it up from Walmart. I couldn't believe how inexpensive it was. I showed it to you on Instagram. I think I only paid $8.99 for it, and it is so comfortable and so cute. It looks ruffly and cozy and fluffy, which is exactly the type of style I like in my home. I will try to find a link for it because I'm pretty sure you can still get it, and I will put it down below for you. After I'm finished my breakfast and I've had my coffee and done all of my computer work for the morning, then I will actually get busy and clean the house and do whatever little odds and ends need to be done. So since I had vacuumed it the other night, I don't have to do anything like that, but I do want to get the dishes done and then just quickly wipe down the countertops and the dining table as well. I always like to start off each day with a nice fresh clean home because that way I feel productive and I can enjoy my day off instead of always feeling like I have some kind of housework that I have to catch up to or do later. By this point in the day, usually the mailman has been here, so I do go out and check the mail, and we have nothing today yet, unfortunately. I pretty much follow the same routine every single day, and then after I'm done doing all of my morning stuff, then I start getting busy with whatever errands I have for the day or for the week. So in this case, it's boxing up some perfumes that my subscribers have purchased from me when I did my last declutter and getting those off to the post office. And that's pretty much it. Then I just get ready and grab my handbag and I head out the door and run my errands. So that is pretty much it for my morning routine, you guys. It's really not very exciting. It just consists of a lot of sun and some coffee and just a little bit of relaxing and house cleaning. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to see more of this kind of content, definitely let me know down below. And if you'd like to see an evening routine, let me know as well. And do head on over and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, where you're going to see a lot of things that I don't post on YouTube. And I'll see you guys all next time. Bye for now.